Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is stuffed ridgegourd curry. You can serve this curry with rice, roti, chapati. Let's start the recipe. Here I am using 2 ridgegourds. You can see in the video. Now add 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup of dry coconut pieces and 5 green chilies. Adjust green chilies as per your taste. Add half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add 4 garlic pods. Now grind it. Add 1 chopped onion. Add little water and grind into fine paste. Stuffing is ready. Peel the ridgegourds as shown in the video. Chop the ridgegourds as shown in the video. You should not cut them at the bottom. In a vessel, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies. Saute them until onion turns light brown. Add less than ½ inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves. Now add stuffed ridgegourd pieces. You can see how the masala is stuffed in the ridgegourd. Saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Now add remaining grinded masala paste. Saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Add 3/4 cup of water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Add salt as per your taste. Enjoying what you just saw? Consider subscribing and becoming a part of our Shalini Foods family. We'd love to have you on board. Finally, add 4 tablespoons of curd. Close and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Very tasty and delicious stuffed ridgegourd curry is ready. You can serve with chapati, rice, roti. You can find more curry recipes in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.